Okay. Golden Lock, my sister, Peter Obi will not disappoint anybody. It's not possible. He cannot disappoint anybody. Or we just need to give him a chance.
Well, Mr. Elvis, it will not be out of line to be very, very clear at this point.
Exactly, I know.
Peter Obi will be called out from day one, not 1.5 days,
yes,
not 25, 26 hours, from day one, if he doesn't do things right.
I've said it so many times. I've said that so many times here.
I think that's the center point.
Yes, I've said it so many times here that from day one, I will start checkmating him. And I also went on by saying that satanic people that are following us here, they will hate me at that time. They'll forget all the goods that I've been doing. So I don't feel to come before. So that's not a problem. But for now, let's give him a chance. Let's give him a chance. Appreciative effort here. Guys, press on the like, help us to share. Let's hear from Mr. Jonathan. Mr. Jonathan, thank you very much, sir, for your time.
Thank you.
Good evening to you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Elvis. I greet you once again. Good evening. God bless you for the good work you are doing. I greet my fellow panelists as well. God bless you all greatly. You're welcome. As usual, I'm on the diaspora. Good evening once again. God bless you greatly, and my fellow commenters and callers. You're all welcome today. God bless you greatly. Yeah, Mr. Black Panther, I take your word of advice. I think it's okay. I think it's a good advice. But again, as you always say, a word is enough for the wise. The government of Nigeria, they thrive on disunity and division. That's their food. That's their breakfast, lunch, and dinner put together. When there is division and unity amongst the people, oh my God, they thrive on it. They thrive on it. If someone like VDM is picked up today, Jesus Christ, I don't need anybody to tell me the kind of division and disunity among the people, it will be unprecedented. 60-40, 50-50. If you spare it, some people will say good for you. Some people will say no. It will be 60-40. It will be 70-40, 60-40, something like that. And that the government, that is their forte. That is their, as I said, that's their food. So I think you said it right, Black Panther. I think it's a word of wisdom. It's always good, especially in this terrain that we are in Nigeria. So I will leave it at that. You know, I want to come to politics proper. I was listening to the interview of Dele Momodu. You know, I was listening to the interview of Dele Momodu. You know, again, even before I go there, or still let me just say this on this the VDM, the video that he presented. You know, and then I just want to say this on the Nigerian politician, the presidency, Bayo Onanuga, the chief spokesman. You are their leader there. You are the boss of Daniel Bwala. You are the boss of all of them together. Tinubu put you there to be their leader. You are the one. But I'm so surprised. In fact, to some point, I'm still believing that probably this tweet was not from you. Maybe you will still come out to deny or dissociate yourself from this tweet. That the video of allegation of fake audio of Mr. Tinubu that came from VDM. I was still thinking that maybe you should know now. You're taking it too far, Mr. Onanuga. You should know that one is not it. How come, the simple question I have for you is, how come you know the second video that you did not know the first video? It's a simple common sense. How come that you know the second one, which you are purporting to be fake, which on your own you are saying is fake, but you did not see the original one? Because it simply means that, okay, it is one of the two. It is either you are following VDM back to back as in your sleep, 3 a.m., if VDM post anything, you already, by the time you get to office in the morning, you know. Or somebody brought it to your attention. It is one of the two. We cannot be fools. All of us cannot sleep and face the same direction. It is either you, Mr. Bayo Onanuga, you are following VDM back to back, or somebody brought it to your attention. And either way, it shows your sense of judgment, the faulty state of your sense of judgment. Because if you are following VDM back to back, it means that you probably will have seen the first video. So when somebody now brought it to you, you will just discard it. And if you are not following VDM back to back, but somebody just brought it to your attention, then you have to sit down and know that this is, even at that, it is still fake. You will know that it is fake. So that's where you can't slice it. It is intentional. The faulty state of, judgment from a man who is the head of the communication department of the president of the country. So we know that this is just a game. But again, VDM, the word is enough for the wise. So let me go to politics briefly, the few minutes that I have left. You see, I was listening to Mr. Dele Momodu earlier. That man, I was so, I don't know where to put my state of mind then. Was it angry or what? I can't be angry because I just know that this man have lost every sense at all. Like these people, the more you try to associate with evil, the more incoherent you will become. He was saying that people like to listen, that Rotimi Amechi was listening to the people that he sent, and they are giving him the information that they will know that he will listen to. The same thing with you. The same thing with you. You are listening to what your principal wants you to say. You are saying what your principal wants you to say. That your principal being Atiku now. You are just, you know the right thing, but you are just saying what your principal wants. But I'm so disappointed. That interview, that is the section that I was angry about. Yes, I think it is that part that made me angry as I was listening to that interview. I was very, very angry with those anchors. That interview was a paid interview, and I will say it, and I'll say why. Dele Momodu, well-dressed in his usual manner, well-dressed for this one. And he came. He arranged it, an arranged interview. If it is not arranged interview, those anchors are morons. They are not supposed to be on TV. That lady, the baby, is supposed to be an actor. Or you need to just be doing something else, not to be an anchor of a TV program. Go and find your job. Go and find your job. This is not for you. Or Dele Momodu has paid. Again, it is one of the two. And I'm saying it emphatically. It is one of the two. Because there is no way Dele Momodu, and Dele Momodu said it twice, that interview, that their election was so good, it was free and fair, it was not like the APC own, and the anchor sat down there. They cannot tell him about the videos.
But Mr. Jonathan, sir.
Yes.
Will you say allegedly he has paid? Just for...
Okay, allegedly, yeah, okay. Thanks. Allegedly has been paid, or these anchors just go and find another job. This one that you are in the wrong job, in the wrong profession. God help you. God help both of you. Somebody said, and he said it twice, he was comparing the ADC primaries with that of APC. And you sat there. You cannot take him on immediately. The videos are there. If you don't have time, don't you have producers? I kept on saying that. Don't you have production assistant? Can't you take a 2-minute break and put out the video for Dele Momodu to see? But you reference that of APC. You cannot reference the one of ADC. That's why I said allegedly, probably is a paid interview.
Oga Jonathan,
Yes.
sorry to cut you. That interview was paid for. So they signed a contract. So there's nothing allegedly there now. They paid for it and it came in
Were
now.
you there? Were you there when he paid? You
Won't
see
you
what
pay
allegedly.
to attend
Were you
the
there when he
interview?
paid?
No.
Wait.
Won't you pay?
You know why? Wait, let me say this. It's not why. Give us.
It's not illegal now.
Wait. Give us our mandate. I agree with you to some extent to say allegedly, but don't let us fall into that trap because they use it against you all the time.
I am not falling into any trap.
No.
So go ahead.
Is that you will have to. You see, you will talk tire because you will show evidence in Nigeria. Even they light robbery. You will go and bring your evidence. So
Mr. Jonathan,
yeah.
Mr. Jonathan,
Yeah.
it's just that I was coming to that interview, but I mean, I just shut it down entirely. I didn't even let him go further. Yeah.
So what Dele Momodu did there, and the anchors allowed it to fly, was misrepresentation, an outright lie. Misrepresentation is an understatement, an outright lie. And misleading. It misled your audience. Your responsibility as anchor is to make sure that you are feeding your audience with accurate information. And if any of your guests is trying to mislead, you will make sure that you defend your audience.
Okay, Jonathan, let me ask you a question, sir. Sorry.
Yeah.
If you have a TV station, if I pay for you to interview me, are you going to cut me down or ask me some?
No. You paid for year time. You didn't pay for my conscience. You didn't pay. See, you pay for year time, but you didn't pay. That is where they are missing it in Nigeria. That is the thing. CNN does it. All this network, they get the yes. You can get paid.
So, sir, do you think they don't know? They know.
That's
it's just
right.
they are allowing these guys. They are giving them leeway. They know. They are only giving them leeway.
You know, in US, in United States, very popular. They have it in everywhere in Europe too. But in United, they call them publicists. They are publicists. It's a job. It's a profession. You can be a publicist, and the person you are representing will be paying. It's the publicist that will go and meet the producer. You see, the publicists, they know all the producers in all the TV stations. They know all the directors. You yourself today, if you want to appear on CNN tomorrow, just know one publicist. He will contact the director, the producer of the top show in, Anderson Cooper. He will contact the producer of 360 Degree. He will contact the producer, and you will be on with Anderson Cooper, even if it is 2 minutes. That is the work of publicists. So they get paid all the time. So for all these things, but you cannot buy Anderson Cooper conscience. It doesn't mean that it will still not bring you down if you lie. It won't allow it to fly. Or Jake Tapper, it won't allow it to fly. So this is what we're talking about. But you can't buy their conscience. So I was so angry. They need to retrace their steps. And let me quickly say again on Abati. Abati, I don't know. It's just the fact that we are from the same state. I'm just always I'm always so ashamed of you sometimes. You are neither here nor there. I don't know what you are trying to prove most of the time when you are saying that Nigerians should not announce the result of elections. Yes, we know. It is a matter of law. Don't say something that doesn't add up, Mr. Abati, that INEC will announce the election result. But that doesn't mean that Nigerians, sensible Nigerians, will not be able to put numbers together themselves. It is even good for you as a journalist. We know what is happening because in that seat where you are every day, you use other network, you use international network in supporting your analysis every blessed day, Mr. Abati. Because that is what they do. CNN will announce the result. All the major network will announce. It doesn't mean that it is official. But at least it's out there. You cannot gag Nigerians so that we all keep quiet until they will bring fake result to us. We all keep quiet on election day until they will announce they will turn 500 to 500,000. We know it. It doesn't stop us from saying it. It is still not official, but we will say it. Nigerians, please. This will happen in 2027. So that your position is so faulty. is so faulty. I think that's what I just want to say. But this guy that called from London, this guy who called in to the show, supporting Mr. Tinubu, I only have some few questions for him, and I hope he's still listening. You are a man. You are an adult. You have children. I want to believe you have wives. I think they say you have 2 or 3 wives, and you have children too. And you cannot sit on the table and lie in front of your children. I only have these questions for you. If you think so, if you think this government cares for Nigerians, do you think this government cares? Every of your response, and I will even appreciate if you can call back, maybe today or tomorrow, and give your responses to these questions. Do you, Mr. Elvis, let me quickly round up. Let this guy, let him hear these ones. Let him tell us if he thinks that this government cares. Let him tell us if he's satisfied with the current states of our medical care system in Nigeria. Let this guy tell us if he's comfortable with the current state of our primary and secondary schools in Nigeria. Let this guy come and tell us if he's proud of our current electricity supply in Nigeria. Let him come and if he's comfortable with the standard of living of Nigerians. Let him come and tell us all these ones. We will be very glad to hear his position on this one. Perhaps let his wife sit beside him and maybe his children listening to his responses to all these things. Then we'll know whether he's a man or if he has any balls at all. Thank you, Mr. Elvis. I'll leave you there for now. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Mr. Jonathan. Thank you, sir.